Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A06. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some deep pop-up. And decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!